Here comes the two-time Hall of Famer.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Houston, Texas. Weighing in at 251 pounds, Booker T.
So question, Corey, do you think we will see a shucky-ducky quack-quack moment here tonight?
I think you're 41 years old and need to stop taking baths with a duck.
First of all, I'm not 41. And Booker T, so much fun to watch. One of the all-time greats. I hope he wins so he can do that spinneroonie. Think about everything Booker T has accomplished. 15-time tag team champion, 35 major titles, the most decorated WCW competitor with similar WWE success.
That's like a title for every year you've been alive, Saxton.
WWE's resident superhero. Yeah, here to get rid of all the evildoers in WWE.
And his opponent, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Many villains have found their secret weakness is the Hurricane.
As unbelievable as it may sound to say out loud, you guys remember the time Hurricane beat The Rock?
Yeah, I do. What's up with that? So I got a question, guys. Where do you think Hurricane got his superpowers from?
Wherever Hurricane got him, he should get a refund.
The bell is rung on this Extreme Rules match.
Not the type of match for people with a weak constitution to participate in or to witness. Are you sure you're going to be all right for this one, Saxton?
I'm okay for now. I'll avert my eyes when things get ugly. He's getting a huge boost right now from all the...
Perfect time to attack when his guard is down, snapping the neck.
Here we go. Beautiful. Swinging neckbreaker. Producing a trampling. Top rope, putting it all on the line. Here we go. Catches nothing but air. Reversal catches Booker T. Cover. Shoulders are down. Stops the count before it, too.
He's still in this.
Oh, unloading a big kick to the back. As we all know, anything goes in an Extreme Rules match. How does one use that to their advantage, Corey?
One word, Cole. Weapons. They're legal, they're here, and they're ready to be used. It's as simple as that. He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down.
Oh, what a chop. Set up in the corner of the ring. Bang! Vicious boot. Just stomping away.
Over and over. Kick lands.
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants.
And of course, kendo sticks are always under the ring in the event of any rogue ninja attacks.
The Hurricane avoids that one. Vicious right forearm.
Oh, great display of strength with the suplex.
He's absorbed some damage already. Oh, God, that hurt. Here we go. Beautiful. Swinging neckbreaker.
Oh, the distance on that one.
Hurricane now going high risk. From the top.
Elbow drop. Good Lord.
And Booker T getting work. He can do it here.
1, 2.
the door yet. He went right into that turnbuckle.
High-risk area up there.
Will there be a reward?
Oh, look out.
Oh, and he doesn't connect. That kick will stop you in your tracks. A non-stop assault from Hurricane here.
Yeah, the Hurricane is clearly in control.
Heading up, he's thinking big.
Soaring.
Sky high, low down. And into the count. Two. Just kicks out. Not yet. To the outside.
This could get wild.
Oh, boy, it's a baseball bat. Hoping to end this match with one big swing. Kick to the midsection. Booker T. Nice kick. Can you dig it, Saxton?
Will that clinch things for Booker?
He kicked out at two.
I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go yet.
I think there is still some shock in the air over the fact that that didn't produce a pinfall.
That sledgehammer can cause some serious damage, and Hurricane expected that.
You have been caught.
Eye of the Hurricane.
Hoping to end it here. This is it.
Two. Now and he kicked out at two. I cannot believe it.
He just kicked out by a fraction of a second.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Hooked up.
DDT! Boom! Oh! And Booker T escapes danger.
Oh, God. You can begin to see it in these superstars' faces. Exhaustion is beginning to set in.
They're starting to breathe heavier. This is the time where matches are won and lost.
He is delivering elbow after elbow.
Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a ragdoll here. Oh, man, taking it to the trachea. He's taking this to the floor now.
A steel chair? Something we all know can be a devastating weapon.
Oh, man, just one right after the other. Can't be stopped.
So many dangerous attacks, one after the other, making it difficult to regain any composure.
Booker cuts him off.
Booker is going to look to press on the advantage.
Booker tipping the scales a bit here.
And the Hurricane can't stop any offense coming his way.
Hurricane has to find a way to turn things around. Shot right to the gut.
Look at this crowd. It's insanity in here. Bedlam.
Some serious damage to the arm being inflicted here.
Oh, man.
He's heading back to the ring.
Outside the ring now, he has no need to rush. Oh, God, that hurt. That catches Hurricane looking.
The Hurricane avoids that one.
Ooh, brutal body shot.
Twist to the arm, and then an elbow right to the shoulder. This match may be nearing its limit.
I don't want to say he's done, but I can hear the fat lady warming up.
Booker T is getting taken out to the woodshed here.
And returning to the ring. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. He climbs into the ring.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers. What a boot!
Knee drop. And somehow Booker T is still able to find the offense as this battle goes on.
Yeah, you get the sense Booker T's tapping into another level here, and it could pay off. With all this in mind, take it from me. Nothing good ever comes from rearranging furniture.
Ducking underneath. This is a unique move.
Booker's in a bad spot here.
Looking for the victory. Victory, a win.
Here is your winner, the Hurricane.
Putting the locker room on notice with a win like that.
You know, after that match, I think even I could take on Booker T. That is, if I wasn't so dedicated to my career as a broadcast journalist.
Would you stop?